I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to get rid of TikTok suggesting posts you may like. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap Profile in the menu on this screen. You'll land on your TikTok profile screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on this screen, which features 3 horizontal lines, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Scroll down to the Content and Display section, and then tap Notifications. Step 4. Navigate down to the Personalized Post Suggestions section, and then tap to toggle off Posts You May Like. Going forward, TikTok will no longer suggest posts it thinks you may like. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.